Brian Bowersock, the Automan here. Today we're talking about you have your vehicle serviced or repaired and you have an issue afterwards and the best way to get that handled. Most providers want to fix your vehicle properly the first time it comes in, and they work really hard at doing it. There are multiple things that can cause a problem. A part that fails, even though they're quality parts. Something just goes wrong with the whole labor operation. There are so many things that can cause an issue with your vehicle. So the number one thing that we tell folks is you get your vehicle fixed, you pick it up, you have a problem. First thing you want to do is get yourself to safety. If you're on the freeway, driving, etc., get off the freeway, someplace safety. Reach out to who provided the service for your vehicle. Let them know what's going on. It doesn't happen a lot with the West Automotive Group, but if it does, we do have parts that fail that we've replaced. We tell them, hey, let's get you back in here, get you taken care of. Like I stated, most providers want to make sure that you're satisfied with their repair work and that you get a quality repair. Once the vehicle gets in, they usually get you taken care of quickly and back on the road. So don't panic too much. This does happen every now and then. I'm Brian Bowersock with the West Automotive Group.
For the latest automotive news and helpful tips, watch for the Automan Fridays on the CW San Diego, sponsored by the West Auto.